Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Capricor Therapeutics' latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Capricor Therapeutics is a biotechnology company focused on developing transformative cell and exosome-based therapeutics for rare diseases. Their recent report provides insights into their financial performance and strategic initiatives, particularly in the treatment of Duchenne muscular dystrophy.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Capricor reported zero revenue for the first quarter of 2025, a stark contrast to the $4.9 million in the same quarter last year. John, what does this mean for the company?
Indeed, the absence of revenue is notable. This is primarily because Capricor's revenue in the previous year was driven by milestone payments under their U.S. distribution agreement, which have now been fully recognized. The company is currently in a phase where they are investing heavily in R&D and awaiting regulatory approvals, which explains the net loss of $24.4 million and an EPS of $0.53, missing the forecast of 33 cents.
How should investors interpret this net loss?
While the net loss is significant, it's important to consider that Capricor is in a development phase, focusing on advancing their pipeline. The increased operating expenses reflect their commitment to bringing new therapies to market, which could potentially lead to future revenue streams.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline progress. Capricor has several strategic initiatives underway. Can you tell us about the progress of their biologics license application for Deramiocel?
Absolutely. The BLA for Deramiocel, aimed at treating Duchenne muscular dystrophy, is under priority review by the FDA, with a target action date of August 31, 2025. This is a significant milestone for Capricor, as it could lead to the first approved therapy for Duchenne cardiomyopathy.
And what about their StealthX vaccine platform?
The StealthX exosome-based vaccine is set to enter a Phase 1 clinical trial in the third quarter of 2025, pending regulatory approval. This initiative is part of Project NextGen, which aims to advance innovative vaccines for future pandemics. It's a promising area of development for Capricor.
How is Capricor positioned financially to support these initiatives?
Capricor ended the quarter with a strong cash position of approximately $145 million, which is expected to support their operations into 2027. This financial stability is crucial as they approach key milestones in their pipeline.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss Capricor's operational strategies. They've expanded their manufacturing capacity. What does this entail?
Capricor has secured additional GMP manufacturing space at their San Diego headquarters. This expansion is designed to increase their commercial manufacturing capacity, which is essential as they prepare for potential product launches.
They've also appointed a new chief medical officer. How does this impact their strategic direction?
Dr. Michael Binks, with over 25 years of experience in global clinical development, has joined as the CMO. His expertise in neuromuscular and rare diseases aligns well with Capricor's focus, potentially accelerating their clinical programs and regulatory strategies.
What can investors expect from Capricor moving forward?
Capricor is well-positioned with a robust pipeline and financial resources to support their strategic initiatives. Investors should watch for updates on their BLA progress and the initiation of the StealthX vaccine trial, as these could be significant value drivers.
Key takeaways. In summary, Capricor Therapeutics is navigating a critical phase with significant investments in their pipeline and strategic initiatives. Despite the current financial losses, their focus on regulatory approvals and clinical advancements holds promise for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Capricor's commitment to developing therapies for rare diseases is commendable. While the financials reflect a challenging period, the potential for regulatory approvals and new clinical trials could transform their market position. Investors should keep an eye on upcoming milestones.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Capricor's performance in the comments below. Until next time,